Hello YouTube, and once more welcome to this channel. I think this is the third streaming that I've done today. I wasn't happy with the production of the earlier one, so I'm doing another one just now. So it's the third streaming I've done today, just because I'm trying to make sure I bring you the best quality ever that I can muster, that I can bring about using the equipment that I've got. So I'm filming this on my iPhone, so I'm not using a dedicated webcam or anything of that nature, so everything is done on the basis of what I have. So I digress a little, but this particular pair is still the Euro USD dollar pair, and currently I'm trading this on the basis of a head and shoulder pattern. It was going well before I started the streaming, but it seems to be sort of going against me in a way. I'm still in profit, so that's no problem, but what I can see here is a head and shoulder pattern, and I think what's happening, so if let me delete this. I think what could happen, seeing what price is doing now, is that there could be a retest of the neckline, which is price come all the way down here. I believe it's going to retest this neckline, which coincides with the 50 period EMA, and then go back down in the way that I projected it would go. But let me do this again. Let me. So I said what I think will happen. Price for it retrace back to this neckline and go back down, or use this area here as resistance. So that's my sort of prediction, but this area here is quite strong support, so we need price to break this section here before we see a downward movement. So I'm gonna stick to the plan, because the temptation is there for me to close this trade now, because I think it might go against me. However, it is a head and shoulder pattern. I think what's going to happen is that price will do some sort of retracement. So what you can see here as well, don't know if you can see, if I can draw it. Actually, let me delete everything. Let me delete drawing. So this is that's the lower high, lower low, I believe here. Lower low. And then right here should be a lower high. Okay. So, and then if I draw the head and shoulder pattern in, okay, draw this in earlier on. I haven't got enough space. Let me move this up. Up a little bit so you can see. The problem with doing that is because it's no problem. But yeah, so that's the head and shoulder pattern there. So what I believe will happen is price may retrace up onto this level, and before it starts moving down again. That's the trading plan, and that's what I hope to achieve. I haven't put a stop loss in. Now this is what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm aiming for with this particular pattern. So that's where I think price would go, all the way down here, giving us a good risk to reward ratio of 2.77, I think. So that's what we're aiming for. If you sort of derive any benefit from my live trade, I'd like to ask you if it's not too much problem to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. More than anything, I'm also trying to give people value for their time. I want this to be a channel where you can come in, watch and learn something, and also apply what you've learned to your trading plan or whatever it is that you're doing. Having said that, I'm not a professional trader. I'm trading on the basis of what I've learned myself, and I'd like to share my knowledge. But as you may know, trading itself is not an exact science, and it doesn't always pan out the way that's been predicted. So please bear that in mind as well. However, my intention here is to share my knowledge, and also to increase my knowledge, and also to grow this channel. And the only way I can do that is if you guys out there, if you're watching, like and subscribe to what you see, and also maybe share with your friends, and we can share knowledge and increase our skills and become better traders together. So yeah, that's my plan, hopefully. And you're welcome to join anytime, and also leave comments if you wish to as well. But I digress a little bit. I normally just trade simple patterns. I trade the harmonics as well, but for now what I can see here is a simple head and shoulder pattern, nothing fancy. As I said earlier on, I believe price will retrace back to the 50 period EMA before it got completely going short. So for now, we'll see how it plays out. But yeah, thanks for watching if you are watching, and let me know in the comments below what you think I can do to improve the channel. I'm not a professional YouTuber, I'm not a professional trader. If you do trade, please carry out your own due diligence. Trading, financials, forex, and whatever it is, do carry huge amounts of risk. So you do well to have some sort of risk management in place for your own benefit. But yes, so yeah, let me see what we got here.
Prime Minister, it is quite extraordinary, isn't it, that there doesn't seem to be the ability in the Labour Party to find a female leader, or indeed a leader who doesn't come from North London. Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the issue is.